Hey everybody, this is Matt coming to you up close and personal, your odor expert. I have to give a lot of credit to the salesman who called me on this. This is a tobacco car. Now he's got this car sold, but he knows that the car still smells a little like tobacco, even though it went through their detail department. And he wanted to play it safe because he knows that he's going to be dealing with a heat case. He worked hard to make this sale, and he knows what could happen if he doesn't do the right thing now, because when the guy comes to pick up the car or take delivery, and the customer, at some point the deal could go sideways, or in the least get a very upset customer. So I got to give the guy a lot of credit. He's having me deal with it now before it becomes a heat case or even a deal that falls through. Really cool car, smells like tobacco. I'm going to treat this with our two-part system. It's really awesome. It'll get rid of the smell permanently. It's guaranteed. I can do your home, your car, your plane, your boat. Hey, give me a call. My name is Matt. I'm your odor expert, and I'm at 954-589-3083. Hey, smell you later.